Do you need a highly effective lead magnet idea to grow your email list fast? Today I'm going to go over 20 plus amazing lead magnet ideas to help you with lead generation in your business. My name is Steph and I love helping small business owners grow their influence and profits online using marketing strategies that actually work. I'm also the leader of the Parisi Pack, an online marketing membership for entrepreneurs. Did you know that lead magnets are one of the most effective ways to grow your email list? The way it works is simple. You create something of value, and then in exchange for someone's email, you give it to them. Here are over 20 highly effective lead magnet ideas that you can use in your business to start growing your email list. Number 1, a checklist. Think a blog post, but simplified, made easy for the reader. Everything is condensed into simple steps that can be easily referenced. And that's it. Number 2, a cheat sheet. Absolutely love cheat sheets. Ask my members, but you can't beat it. Like, for instance, I have a cheat sheet on business story ideas because in the moment, we often forget. It's like, crap, I need to put a story up. What should I do? If you've ever felt like that, drop me a comment, hit the like button, because I even feel like that. So what do I go to? My stories cheat sheet. So using a cheat sheet in your business as a lead magnet is really smart. A cheat sheet is simply a list of guidelines, steps, or processes that can be followed again and again. What's up next? Number 3, a template. Templates are great when you have an activity that's done again and again and again. Think a blog post, an email, or another item where blanks can quickly be filled in. I just made templates for websites on Canva. If you want to check that out, check out the description of this video and I'll include it. But templates are awesome because they're saving people time. When you're creating your lead magnet, you need to think, what's going to save people time, reduce their stress, or make them more money? I really believe in delivering with value in my free items because that's going to encourage people to want to work with me for my paid stuff. What's up next? Number 4, a swipe file. Don't mistake things like this for not being awesome for people. A swipe file is a list of things, think headlines, email subject lines, that can simply be copied and pasted. Number 5, an example. You might be like, what? Steph, an example? Yes, this is a completed sample or example of a commonly used item, such as like a resume if you're a career coach. Show people the exact thing. I know in my story pack that I sell to people who buy my Create Stories That Sell challenge, I have over 12 pages of story examples, literal examples from business owners. It's like 144 of them, but it's really powerful because people get to see the real thing. What's up next? Number 6, a script. Think a fill-in-the-blank script that people can use and follow when talking to specific individuals. I know in one of my lead magnets, I created a script for people who do vendor events, right? Like, think the network marketer that's going out and selling their things. And you may be like, Steph, that's so outdated. But I'll be honest, like, I absolutely love doing that as a network marketer. And so I made a script because I love getting to have these face-to-face conversations with people. But a lot of people have never done it before and they're like, well, how do you do it? And how do you not turn people off? Because I had repeat customers again and again and again because of scripts that I used at vendor events. And so I created a lead magnet for them. Number 7, a toolkit. This is a list of all the tools necessary to effectively perform a task. For instance, if you're creating a blog, what items would you need to start a blog? That would be a great toolkit. Number 8, a free tool. This is a useful tool that anyone could use in exchange for their email address. It may sound weird, but I use tools all the time in my business for looking up headlines or topics, removing the background from photos, you name it. But a quick little tool could be a great lead generation tool. Number 9, a resource list. This is a large list of resources that can easily be referenced at any time. Number 10, a calendar. We see these all the time, like content calendars, that type of thing. It's something helpful that helps people plan out their tasks. Social media, blogging, you name it. Number 11, a worksheet. This is a simple worksheet designed to help someone finish a specific exercise, to think through something or do a task. I know in my membership, I often include simple worksheets with a lot of my trainings to help people implement them right away. Number 12, a printable. This is a well-designed sheet that can easily be printed and used, such as like a camping grocery list or a recipe with all the ingredients, your shopping list, Say you're in the health and wellness industry. Lead generation idea number 13, an inspiration file. Think a compilation of inspirational resources to help people when they get stuck, or they just need that extra boost of inspiration. Number 14, prompts. A list of prompts designed to help people think through specific challenges and work through questions. An example of this, journaling prompts. Number 15, a calculator. If you're in the finance or real estate industry, this is genius. A simple calculator designed to help someone easily complete a more complex calculation. For instance, determining the value of your home, how much you should put into savings every month with your budget. Lead generation idea number 16, a spreadsheet. Create a spreadsheet that already has calculations programmed into it, so it makes the difficult calculations more easy. Number 17, a recipe. This could be one recipe or a list of recipes related to a specific food plan or diet, like the keto diet. Lead generation idea number 18, a tutorial. Teach people something. This is a step-by-step guide showing a process designed to make learning as easy as possible. It's one of the reasons why I love creating tutorials on Facebook stories, which if you haven't checked any of them out, check out this playlist on my Facebook stories. Lead magnet idea number 19, an ebook. An ebook is more of an in-depth guide or look into a particular subject in detail. Number 20, a guide. My guide is one of my most popular lead generation tools. The 15 unbeatable post and story ideas. If you don't have it, check out the description of this video. But I absolutely love making a helpful guide. It's a shorter document, so it's not as long as an ebook, but it still covers a subject in pretty thorough detail. Lead magnet idea number 21, a report. A detailed report in which you discuss key information related to your industry or niche. I'll be honest, I download reports all the time from industry marketing leaders just to stay up to date on social media, and I read them. Lead magnet idea number 22, an educational video. This could be a video or a short video series in which you give your expert or knowledge about a specific topic. Number 23, a webinar. I'm sure you've seen these plastered over Facebook on Facebook ads. Join my webinar. I'd love to know if you've ever joined one, so let me know in the comments. I know I have before, but a webinar is another lead magnet idea. Again, you're providing your prospects with a good amount of helpful information that's targeted to one idea or specific subject. Number 24, an email course, a free course on a particular subject, which you deliver via email. This could be one email or a series of emails over the course of time. I know a friend of mine once created a 30 days to better hair email series that she emailed out to customers and also got new leads from it because who didn't want to learn how to take care of their hair better? Number 25, a free coaching session. This could be a quick coaching or consulting session where you help a person work through a particular issue. Number 26, predictions. Are you in the know? This is a list of your expert predictions related to your industry or business. Number 27, a recording or a replay. Just because it's already happened doesn't mean it's valuable. This could be a video replay of a webinar you've done, a live training that you've done that you've converted into a video, but something of value that still allows your prospect to access it and review the information. And last but not least, number 28, an audiobook. This is something that you've just recorded via audio that someone can download and use with information regarding your niche or business. And that's it. I hope you got some value from these amazing ideas. Head on over to stephanieparisi.com where I can help you further grow, because now you got your lead magnet idea, but how do we warm up those leads and turn them into hot buyers? That I have for you, waiting for you at stephanieparisi.com. If you check out the Parisi Pack membership, absolutely love helping entrepreneurs grow their influence and their profits with these tools. If you like this video, hit the like button for me, leave me a comment, hit subscribe if you haven't already. And in the meanwhile, check out either of these two videos that are popping up on the screen. They're here to help you win in your business. And I'll be back next week with another new video.